There are different types of mechanical rotors in electrical machines, such as motors, generators, and alternators. The rotor is the rotating part of the machine that interacts with the magnetic field of the stator to produce torque and motion. The type and construction of the rotor depends on the design and function of the machine. Some of the common types of rotors are squirrel cage rotor. This type of rotor is used in induction motors. It consists of laminated steel core with copper or aluminum bars placed axially around the periphery and shorted at both ends by end rings. This creates a cage-like structure that is simple and rugged. The bars are slanted or skewed to reduce magnetic hum and locking tendency. The rotor rotates when the stator windings produce a rotating magnetic flux that induces a current in the bars. Wound rotor. This type of rotor is also used in induction motors, but it has a different construction. It has a cylindrical core with slots that hold wires for its three-phase windings, which are connected in a Y configuration. The rotor winding terminals are brought out and attached to three slip rings with brushes on the shaft of the rotor. This allows external resistors to be connected in series with the rotor windings for speed control. The wound rotor has higher starting torque and lower starting current than the squirrel cage rotor. Salient pole rotor. This type of rotor is used in synchronous machines, such as generators and alternators. It has projecting poles that are mounted on a wheel-shaped core. The poles are made of thick steel laminations and have field coils wound on them. The field coils are excited by a direct current to produce a magnetic field. The salient pole rotor has a large diameter and a short axial length. Cylindrical rotor. This type of rotor is also used in synchronous machines, but it has a different shape. It has a smooth cylindrical surface with slots along its length. The slots contain the field coils that are also excited by a direct current. The cylindrical rotor has a smaller diameter and a longer axial length than the salient pole rotor. It is suitable for high-speed machines that operate at a constant speed. These are some of the types of mechanical rotors in electrical machines. They have different advantages and disadvantages depending on the application and performance requirements. I hope this information was helpful for you.